Hey, what's up guys? Jay here with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. So in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you a very smooth neo-soul groove. It's got a very nice vibe to it, and it's got that really nice dreamy feel. And it's very simple. We're going to just be working with around 4 or 5 chords to teach you some really nice chords that you can create samples from. And I picked this up from a producer called Luke Clay. I thought this would be a really cool lesson to show you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We are in the key of B major for this one, or you can call it A flat minor. I just like to keep it simple, so we're just going to keep it in B major so you can kind of see it. All right, so B's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that will bring us back to the top. Now you can also call this A flat minor, or I'm just going to call it G sharp minor here. So to find the relative minor scale, you just go to the 6th tone of that scale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to play the exact same scale, but we're just going to start from the 6th to the 6th. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the key signature that we're actually in. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. Now, we're only going to be working with a handful of chords. And if you're also interested in how I'm able to pick up a lot of these chords, movements, songs within a few minutes, I do have a program called Master the Piano. I break down the entire music learning process from scratch. So I take you through chords, progressions, how to break down songs. When you want to take your playing to the next level and learn other songs, you can also check out the labs, which teach you different types of songs and different chord progressions. And that is really how you grow as a musician, by taking ideas from different songs and different chord progressions. So go ahead and check that out if you're interested in that. So let's go ahead and break this down. I'm going to play the chord progression first, and then I'm going to break it down for you. So it's going to start off something like this. So that's the chord progression. It's a very, very sweet chord movement. It sounds a lot like Yeba's Heartbreak to me. And this is like a really nice chord progression that you can use. So I'm going to break down the chords, and then I'm going to let you kind of pick them up, and then you can take it however way you want. So first chord, we're going to be playing an E major 7. So it's going to do a few things. So the first time it's going to go from the E flat major 7 to a B major 7, and then this is really where it makes it sweet. So this is very neo-soul-esque. If you know anything about D'Angelo, Erykah Badu, Jill Scott, these are the chords that you hear a lot in neo-soul. That's outside of the key. So the first chord, E major 7. Next chord is a B major 7. And this 6 usually should be a minor, but we're changing this to a major. So we're going to make this into a major 9 or a major 7. So I'm just going to keep this a major 9. So let's break down the first chord. So E, A sharp, or G sharp, sorry, B, and then D sharp. Next chord, B, F sharp, A sharp, D sharp. Next chord after this is a G sharp major 7 or G sharp major 9. So G sharp, E sharp, G, A sharp, C. I like to play this way. All right, one more time. E major 7, B major 7. So the first time around, you're going to play it that way. And then you have these lead line that goes, or you can go. And when we play this, the chord we're going to be playing here is actually a C sharp minor 9. So we're trying to go to this chord. So C sharp, E, G sharp, B, and then D sharp. Then we're going to go to the D sharp minor 7. So D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and then back to this. All right, which is a G major 9. Okay, so the first pass we're going to go second time, we're going to go then you go back to the first, Then the last part, you're gonna go and this is really sweet here. So we're gonna be playing an F minor 11 or F minor 7, but when I add this, it's an 11. So that's the only change there, and then you loop back to the top. All right, so that's the entire chord progression, and there's so many ways I can play around with this, but I just wanted to show you guys these smooth chords that you can add to your playing. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you like this kind of content, leave your feedback in the comments section, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.